What's up, guys? Welcome to the Frugal Investor. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can make money online using the best strategy that I think that every beginner should start doing right now to start making lots of money online. Now, this is not a copy and paste video like you guys see. Well, there could be a lucrative situations like that where you can copy some pictures and paste, right? But this video is going to be about you actually making money like a pro. You don't actually have to do anything or have any knowledge about anything because I'm going to be giving you guys an introduction to a bot that's going to help you make this money online for yourself, right? So you can make as much as $5,000 every single month using this strategy. And guys, that is actually legit and it's completely true, right? So there are a lot of ways you can monetize this strategy, but I'm just going to give you guys a particular one right now. Like I think is the easiest for you guys to start doing, considering the fact that you are a beginner who don't have any knowledge about these things, right? But in case you have more knowledge about how to make money online, then you can actually incorporate those knowledge you have with this particular strategy, right? So now let's get into this, right? So number one thing you need right now for this is what the bot, right? So you can go online and search on how you can make money online over there, and you can see different results and stuff like that. People telling you different ways to make money online, and you can even see people giving like 35 different ways to make money online, guys. This is like huge. But how many of them works? How many of them can you really make money from? Because most of these things requires knowledge, requires expertise, requires years of mastering and stuff like that, right? But what I'm about to give you today, guys, is something you can do every single day without really having to feel it and a single itch, right? Because you're basically not doing the work yourself. What is actually doing this work for you is a bot, but you need to be there to actually commission these works, right? So it doesn't actually take you up to 10 minutes to actually put something out there that can make you lots of money in just a single day, right? So before we do that, guys, before we continue with this video, this is Frugal Investor, and what I do is simply teach you guys how you can make money online. So if you're interested in this type of content, what you need to do, guys, is click on click on what that subscribe button right below this video, put on the notification icon and also like this video, right? And also do share this video with your friends so they can also join along and make money online for themselves, right? So what bot are we actually gonna be using? Well, all you have to do is go to the description of this video. You're gonna see a link over there. But the bot is called what? Write Sonic, right? So this is actually the bot. It's called what? Write Sonic. So you can see over here, it's an AI writer, AI copywriter, and also what writing assistant, right? So what does this mean? Well, yeah, I know you can go to different places to use this bot to monetize it in different ways, but I don't want to stress you guys out by giving you guys that long method that could actually take you a while to actually get a job, even though it's something you can actually do that, right? But now let's take a look at this easy way for you guys to make money through Google using this strategy, right? So if you guys have heard of something that is called what AdMob, right? So I don't know if you've heard of AdMob, but AdMob is basically like a platform that's gonna help you generate ad revenues, right? So they're basically gonna give you ads, right? So this is Google AdMob, right? So you're gonna be able to get people to view ads, click on ads. So basically, whether they click on ads or not is not actually your problem. But what you're basically doing is that you're giving them ads, right? So who are the people who actually get pays for these ads? Well, these are the companies. Example, Coda Bank. Example, Octa FX. For I'm sure if you're watching TV, YouTube these days, you'll be seeing a lot of Octa FX ads on YouTube. So these are example of people, companies that actually place ads on different platforms in order to drive customers. And guess what happens that once they come to Google, pay Google for these ads, well, Google has no other choice but to split the profit with other people, other creators, other influencers, anyone that has the ability or capability of doing this, right? So they split the profit with you, and all you have to do is that go and put these ads in your platforms. So that once people come to view your content, these ads run there, and guess what? You make money, right? So whether they click on it or not, you are making money. That is actually the bottom line of this whole thing because you're making money whether they click or they don't click. All right. So now, let's assume that you've actually understood what AdMob is. But in case you haven't, guys, simply go over to YouTube and search on AdMob, right? So you're gonna actually know more about AdMob over there, right? So now let's head into the bot that's actually gonna be helping you make this money online for yourself, right? So I actually say that I just introduce you guys to Write Sonic, right? Now, what you have to do, go to the description of this video, is the link over there. Come over to Restonic and do what? Sign up with your Gmail, right? So once you sign up with your Gmail, it should be able to bring you to a platform. It should be able to bring you to a platform right like this, right? So initially, you're gonna see that this platform actually has a paid version, which is like the best version. I would advise any of you who wants to start doing this right now, right? So for now, for if you just register new right now, that currently running the promo that it can give you like 4 months free if you purchase any plan right now, right? But basically, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do this for free anyway. But now let's talk about the kind of content you can get from this particular bot, right? So number one is what? AI article and blog writer, right? So this is basically number one that you can use right now as a newcomer, right? So if you actually want to use the ad mob strategy I was talking about, right? So basically what you're gonna be using is what? The AI article and blog writer, because what this basically does is that it generates articles for you, it writes articles for you, but you have to give it a niche. That's to show you how professional this is, right? You have to give it a niche. This is not like, hey, generate an article to just generate something random. Nope. Maybe if you want to do something on traveling, on agencies, on schooling, on lifestyle, on dressing, so this all depends on you. Anyone you want to do, just give it a title to generate those part of articles for you, right? So let's just run a quick example about this, right? So for example, I want to do this, right? So all I have to do is what? Click on this AI article blog writer, right? So sorry. So let me just. All right. So this is next page is gonna bring you once you've actually click on that. You can go ahead and click on what? AI article writer 3.0. Now they have other versions, but this is the current version, right? So if you're actually a paid subscriber, you can use this Sonic editor as well, right? But let's just click on this and see the next place it brings us. Sorry for the delay. Yeah, so this is it. So you can see right here, it's gonna ask you to put in a topic, right? So just put in a topic, right? So you can go ahead and do what? Generate an idea, but there's no need of generating an idea. Why? You can simply go to your browser and type in, you probably want to do lifestyle. You can want to do the best the trending clothes in June 2022, right? So you can say trending clothes on June 2022, right? So on June trending clothes, sorry, probably are doing lifestyle and stuff like that on June 2022, right? So let's just see what people are gonna show over here. So let's see people. Okay, so here this person says what this was written on April, right? So here it says top 31 current fashion trends for 2022. So basically, you put in June in your keyword might not really be the best, right? So okay, people are actually putting June. So these are our different photos. So I'm looking for articles right here. So these are different articles, right? So these are different articles. You can see different ideas of articles you can use, right? So you can see this person says 2022 clothing trends, right? So latest trend outfit idea for an pairing, right? So you can just pick up an idea over there and just come over here and do what? Put it over here. You can say like the hottest, or you can say hottest uh dresses. Let's see. Dresses. I hope I spelled that hottest very well. Dresses for ladies 2022, right? So it's good that when you're doing this, you know people you're targeting, right? So I don't really have spelled that hottest properly, but I hope I did. All right, so can go ahead and what generate this, right? So once you click on what generate, it's gonna pop you to the next stage, but before it's gonna be consuming tokens. These are called coins or whatever, right? So once you do that, it's gonna generate it, and then it will give you ideas, right? So you can see over here, we just gave it an idea and it's giving us different titles you can use, right? So you can see over here 90s of that. So 600 test dresses for ladies 2022. This is another idea you can use. So what I did is just give it an idea and it's generating all these things for me, right? So same goes. So once you choose one here right now, it will pop up the next page using that one you chose as a reference to give you the what the intro, right? So this is where you're gonna have to the intro, right? So once you've chosen an intro, it's gonna give you like 4 different intros. Let me just go ahead and just choose this, though my point is running low. So let me just choose this one, right? So it's gonna pop up the step 2 for me right now. You're gonna see the intro over there. All right, so this is the intro. You can see that it has automatically come over here, right? So once it's over here, I do what? Click on what? Generate once again. So it generates the intro for me, and I'm gonna choose the one I want, right? So I hope you guys get the drill from there, right? So let's just load up. All right, so these are the intros over here. You can see different. This is the intro number 1. This is the intro number 2. This is the intro number 3, the intro number 4, and the intro number 5. So all you have to do is choose the one you like more. You can see, you can choose this one that says, "Are you one of those girls who have a wardrobe filled with such dresses?" This is just something that make it look nice and stuff like that, right? So go ahead and do what? Copy this and stuff like that. So what I'm basically doing, is just be using and all this as a reference, right? So once you choose this, it's gonna pop you up to step 3, right? So it's using what you chose the previous time as a reference to give you what comes after, right? So this is to show you exactly that this bot knows exactly what it is doing, right? It knows exactly what it is doing, and it's gonna help you generate all this article. Now, how do you monetize this? Some of you are gonna ask. Well, it's very, very simple. What way to monetize this is simply by doing what? Owning your own blog site, right? So owning your own blog site is all you need to monetize this, right? So once you go and own your own blog site, you pick a niche. Don't be jumping around different niches. Okay, just choose one. If you want to go for a lifestyle, go for a lifestyle. If you want to go for health, go for health. If you want to go for weight loss, you go for weight loss. Just choose one. Okay. So you can use any of these platforms over here to actually sign up and create your own website. Obviously, it's not free. So create your own website, start creating your blogs, right? So when you create a blog, you do what? You go to AdMob. Just make sure you go to YouTube, right? And learn how you can use AdMob, how you can link AdMob in your blogs, right? So you can say how to link AdMob in my blog, right? So it's gonna load up. Lots of people are talking about this, even people running advertisements for this. So you can see a lot of people talking about this as well, right? So you can go ahead and watch these videos. Just choose one that is talking about exactly what you want, right? So this is talking about WordPress and stuff, right? So AdMob ads on, AdMob banner on Blogger or WordPress website full method, right? So this person is basically gonna tell you exactly how to do this, right? So you can actually link your AdMob to your blog site, so you can actually start running ads and start making revenue, guys. And guess what? Google really pays well for these things because the people that are paying for this actually pays well for this. All right. So do not neglect this. Do not think that this is just another mumbo jumbo kind of video, right? This is actually real. People are making money from this, right? So if you go to different platforms, you guys see that people are actually running ads. I'm sure you guys must have experienced that, right? So can go to different platforms and see that people are running ads and stuff like that, putting advertisements and every other thing, right? So I'm just gonna let you go and check that on yourself. You can open like 10 different blogs, and I'm sure that you must see at least 3 of them running ads in that blog. All right. So this is just gonna be it for this video. Now the bottom line is what? Create your own platform, create your own website, your blog site, and then use this particular AI article writer, which is called WriteSonic, to actually write your articles without you having to do any of those things, any of those hard works yourself, right? And you can see over here, we are just in the step 2, and it has already generated over 606 words for us, right? So step 3 should make it up to around 1,000 and something, and step 4 should actually bring it around 5,000 and something. This is actually a very full, well-written blog. Now, all you have to do is very simple. Go ahead to iStock and get images, right? Get photos to place it in the relevant places. If you're talking about fitness, you can get fitness photos and place it in the relevant places. All right. So this is basically how you can do this, and it's entirely very easy to do, right? So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. But before I go, guys, I want you to know that you're gonna have to actually purchase this bot to have the full access to this bot. All right. So that is actually how it works, and obviously nothing goes for nothing, right? So you have to give something to get something in return. All right. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys actually enjoyed this video and will subscribe to the channel. Take care and happy earning.